In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and understand your bandwidth report in Vimeo's analytics dashboard. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to get the most out of their video hosting service, knowing how to navigate and interpret your bandwidth usage is key to optimizing your content strategy. First things first, to get started, you'll need to sign in and go to your Vimeo account. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your analytics dashboard. This is the central hub where you can find a variety of metrics related to your videos. When you arrive at the dashboard, the feature we're particularly interested in today is the bandwidth widget or button. According to Vimeo's documentation, if your account has access to a bandwidth report, you will notice a widget on the sidebar in Analytics. This is your gateway to understanding how your data is being used and distributed. Now, once you locate the bandwidth widget, go ahead and click on the View Report link or a similar link provided. This will open the full bandwidth report, giving you a more detailed insight into your account's bandwidth usage over time. This report is essential as it breaks down your usage into live events and video on-demand content, helping you see where the bulk of your data transfer is taking place. After you've opened the report, you'll have the opportunity to dive deeper with the date picker and content filters. This is where things get really interesting, as these tools allow you to inspect specific periods or types of content. Whether you're interested in viewing bandwidth consumption for a single week, month, or even an entire year, the date picker has you covered. Additionally, you can filter the content by video or folder, making it easier to track patterns or spikes in data usage for specific projects or series. A quick note to keep in mind: the data you're reviewing may be delayed by about 3 to 4 days. This is a normal occurrence and something to consider when analyzing recent content. The report will offer you a detailed account of the amount of data transferred in gigabytes for both your videos and live events. You'll be able to observe trends over time, categorized by video, folder, or other criteria, thus providing you with a comprehensive view of your data consumption habits. By regularly assessing this information, you can make informed decisions about your content hosting needs, possibly saving on unnecessary overhead or even identifying opportunities for expansion. Remember that understanding your bandwidth is not just a technical detail. It's an integral part of your content strategy that can have a significant impact on your audience engagement and your platform's performance. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to accessing and utilizing your bandwidth report on Vimeo. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has empowered you with the knowledge you need to better manage your content on Vimeo.